All right, you guys, we're out here at SOAP, their multi-gun match, which is going to be a hit factor match today. And as you can see, it is nice and wet. It is Saturday, so we're the build squad. We spent a couple hours building this morning, and then most people took off. They're going to shoot it tomorrow or just get their fees bumped to next month. So let's check it out. I'm going to go slow because it's really slick out, and it's major season. My hip already kind of hurts, so I don't want to hurt it anymore. And I need to be safe, so let's check it out. All right, guys, just shot my first stage here. Like I said, most people went home, so we've got a really small squad. I was second shooter. Forgot to step inside the box before I got my first two shots off, but I had good hits, so we'll check it out and see how it goes.
Are you ready?
Sure.
Stand by.
God damn it. All right, you guys, just finished my second stage. It went okay. I had one mic on the hardcover, but going slow because it's wet. Want to be safe. Don't want to hurt myself. Don't want to fall with a gun in my hand. But yeah, let's check it out.
Are you ready? Stand by. Are you ready? Stand by.
All right, you guys, just shot I believe it's my fourth stage, so we got one to go. It's raining even harder now. The ground is super sloppy. Shot well. I think I had a lot of alphas and maybe a Charlie or Delta, so we'll check it out and see how it went.
Are you ready? Stand by.
All right, you guys, just finished my fifth stage. It is a sloppy mess out here. Went as quick as I felt like I could safely. Didn't really stick my stage plan as much as I wanted. I shot some of the targets further back than I planned on, and I had to move forward anyway to go with my rifle. Can't feel my hands, so loading the rifle was challenging, but did okay. Let's check it out.
Are you ready? Stand by.